Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you all liked the previous videos and I hope that it is of some benefit to you all. Today I will be just giving you a walkthrough of how to find an apartment over here in Germany and which all applications you can use to find the apartment itself, whether that be your studio apartment or any apartment in sharing. So I will walk you through all the websites, the applications, and will give you some tips and tricks. But before that, I'm getting so many messages and emails, even on the Telegram groups and on WhatsApp, on Instagram, mentioning that how about you give us a tour of your own apartment. I live over here with two college students. They are over here for their masters and they are from Dubai, as I have mentioned earlier. Currently, they have gone for their college, and probably they will arrive by the evening. But by the time, at least I will have the opportunity to show you guys the apartment. So let me know how you like it in the comments, and also let me know if you like this video and if it is of any help for you. So basically this is the common area. Over here we eat together, and that is the kitchen. Over here we have the washroom. This is shower, basin, commode, and we have a washing machine too. This is for drying the clothes. There's a big window. We have ordered one shoe rack, but it is not arrived yet, so we are waiting for it. I'll just show you the kitchen. यहाँ पे एग्जॉस्ट एंड ऑल है. इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ती है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि अगर ज़्यादा धुआं हुआ, झोंका वोंका लगा दिया तो फिर फायर अलार्म बजने लग जाता है. These are the cabinets, the organizers. We have a dishwasher over here. There are the drawers. And there's the garbage area. And we have a microwave. This is our fridge. It's a big fridge. It is not organized properly, but this is what it is. Then we have the freezer section for ice and all. We have 4 inductions over here. All these are automatic, so it's touch sensitive. You'll just have to touch it, then select this section and start it as you want it. ये मैंने ऑनलाइन मंगाया था. दिस इज़ अ वाटर प्योरीफायर, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सब लोग मोस्टली टैप वाटर ही पीता है. तो आई मीन मेरे लिए आई थिंक इनिशियली इट वाज अ बिग थिंग, so I have ordered it. Again, the mixer I have got it from India. It's a small grinder. The cooker I have got it from my home, and most of the utensils I have got it from home. ये सईद की रूम है और ये अब्दुल्ला की है. Now this one is mine. यहाँ पे ओपन करते ही लेफ्ट साइड में कबर्ड्स आ जाते हैं फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग स्टफ. यहाँ पे क्लॉथ्स एंड ऑल के लिए हैंगर्स और ये सब भी है. This is the foldable table, my laptop and monitor. This is a single bed यहाँ पे एक टेबल भी है छोटा सा। ये फ़ैन मैंने ऑनलाइन मंगाया है क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा सन्नाटा होता है। इतना शांत कैसे लगता है जैसे आपका कान बंद पड़ा है। तो आई मीन जस्ट टू हैव दैट नॉइस और द होमली फीलिंग मैंने ये फ़ैन ऑनलाइन मंगाया है। देन दिस इज़ अ विंडो कम बालकनी। I'll just show you how it opens. Once you open it, there's a church nearby. Since morning it is raining today and it's very cold. बेड के यहाँ पे भी ड्रॉवर्स है। Just show you. So these are the drawers for storage, so that you can put all your stuff in it. यहाँ पे सारे सॉकेट्स मोस्टली ऐसे ही होते हैं, राउंड और फ्रॉम द इनसाइड। सो आपके जो भी पिन्स है, I don't think those pins will be fitting over here, so you will have to research accordingly. You get this kind of a plug from Amazon. So I have got these, I mean a set of these from India. I have also got some spares so that if either of them is not working, then I can use it as a extension, as a small extension. So I mean this is very helpful, so I would recommend you to buy it. Okay, so the website that you will be looking for finding an apartment over here in Germany. So this is the website wggesetzt.de. Okay, so over here, first of all, this will be in German language, so you might want to translate it to English. Okay, now that I have translated it, okay, so then you will have to select on offers. Select either you want to select shared room, one room apartment or house. Based on your requirement, I'm selecting one room apartment. So this is where I'm getting all the one room apartment advertisers posted by the owners over here from Nuremberg. So this is 1.5 room apartment furnished 790 euros. The size of the room is 44 meters square. Okay, similarly we have other advertisers over here too. Okay, so let's just open one first. I'll select this one. We'll close the ad. Now this is the ad that we are getting. Okay, these are the photos, pictures of the room. There's a induction, then a basin, microwave, a single bed, a cupboard, some drawers. Whenever you come across any ad, you will just have to close it. This is the building, this is the washroom, and it looks decent. Okay, now that we have seen the images, okay, how do you contact the owner, or how do you see if this is still available or not? In order to do that, you will have to click on this send message button. Okay, once you click on it, it will ask you for register. You will have to log in with your registered email ID. You will have to provide some details first. I think my account is already registered, so I'll just log in. Okay, this is where you can communicate with them. So I mean I would suggest you to compose a message and then translate it into two different languages, English and German, and that way the probability of getting your request highlighted will be increased, and it will be easier for the owners to connect with you faster. So this is what I did, and similarly, if let's suppose if we look for any other apartment. Now this one looks cheap. Apartment for two people, come with your friend. Okay, we'll click on this. This is the kitchen. Then there are 2 tables, 2 rooms. So this is for 2 folks uh, who will be living together. Okay, rent is 680, extra cost 200, and other cost 20. So the deposit for this apartment will be 1400 euros. Let's look for another one. Studio apartment, long term, from Jan 2025, close to Central Station. Okay, let's see. So this has the double bed occupancy, then a kitchen, a washroom, a table setup. So all things are there. Now how do you message? So this is the owner of the apartment who has posted the ad. You can add this to favorite, or you can directly message them from here. Send a message. Yes, I have read the safety security policy, and this is where you will post your message that I am XYZ and I will be arriving on this date. Please let me know if the apartment is available for viewing. After that, post several communications. Probably the owner will let you visit the property if you have someone over here who can personally visit the property, which I would recommend. Or they can schedule a video call, and on the video call they will show you the apartment itself and they will explain about it. It will kind of be a short interview for you too, where they will get to know that whether you are legitimate or not, because mostly people over here, they are very scared of being scammed. So your profile has to look, your message has to be very legitimate, very genuine, so that the further communications can happen. So I mean, whenever you come across any ad or any apartment where you might think that maybe this is the one, so I would recommend you to I mean, keep messaging the owners, and eventually you will get their replies. This website also has a mobile application too, so you can download it on your mobile and you can operate it from there as well. So I mean, this is where I have looked for apartment, and I have got several positive feedbacks, but out of all those options I have chose this one. I hope you find this very useful and easy. It's just that do not forget to translate your messages into German language and then post it, and be aware from these scamsters, because there are cases where you will find that some of these are scams. So let me just show you uh, some of my messages were contacted ads. Okay, now if I scroll down, so these are all the apartments whom I have contacted. Okay, once it is rented out, it will be mentioned over here as rented. Okay, before we leave, I would like to mention that like in India, or like in most of the countries, you might have seen that there are so many frauds going on. The websites such as OLX or on Facebook Market. Even I have experienced some of the frauds when I was in India on Facebook Market and on OLX. So I mean, see, there are so many scams over here too. You will definitely come across a few whenever you will be searching for the apartment. So all I want is you to have the clear presence of mind, whenever you will be searching for the apartment over here, so that you won't fall for any traps or any scams. So whenever your instinct tells that whether it is a scam or it is a legit advertisement, then I want you to please rethink about it. Before sending money to anyone, be very careful. There are so many fake accounts and so many fake advertisers that you will come across. There are many genuine advertisements too. So before sending the money to anyone, please have someone confirm, may that be on a video call or on a personal visit. That's what I did. So I had one of my friends to visit the apartment and to meet the landlord, and he came over here and he saw this apartment. He took a video, he had a chat with the landlord. Then we have proceeded for the further procedures for agreement and key handovers, and then the deposit transfer and everything. Just be very careful whenever you will be performing these actions, and always keep in mind that there's a possibility of being scammed. I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and let me know if there are any flaws or anything that needs to be improved, since I am new to vlogging, and it will be really appreciated. So stay tuned for more. Thank you.